Hello, my love, I heard it's for you. You ain't got no money to take your broke asshole.
Hey guys, I'm back, and as you can probably tell from the painter's tape, my staple for my makeup tutorials, I am back with another eye look. This one was requested for my IG. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, follow me down below. I'll leave my link in the description box. And yeah, let's just get started. So this look is supposed to be kind of like my amateur attempt at a monochromatic look. To start off, I'm just going to use my Fenty Beauty matchstick, and I have it in the color Caramel, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that all over my lid just to kind of like prep it for all the shadow I'm going to be packing on. So
you said we had it all, that shit would drive me crazy, cause outside is no feelings, baby. You say it's hard to tell what I've been thinking lately, but behind closed doors I'm a
I'm going in with my Aesthetica loose setting powder in the color Banana, and I'm just putting that all over my lid to set the concealer. Now I'm taking this dark purple shade from the Carly Bible palette, and I'm placing it on my outer V and bringing that inwards and upwards towards my arch. Now going back into the Carly Bible palette, I'm picking up this shimmery reddish pink shade and putting it underneath my brow bone as like my brow bone highlight and blending that in. Now I'm going into the ColourPop Yes Please Cute as Fuck palette. I'm grabbing the color Spoiled, which is like a matte brick red, and I'm placing that all over my lid. You're going to have to use a couple of layers for this to build up the intensity that you want. And popped on some lashes off camera, and here I'm just adding Spoiled to my waterline, and I'm also adding in the color Mont Blanc from the Douce palette. I went ahead and primed my face and added my concealer off camera. Now I'm going in with my NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer, and I'm applying that in little dots underneath my eye. I only use about one squeeze of this. I feel like a little goes a long way with this product because it's so creamy. And then I'm blending that out with a damp beauty blender. So now I'm going to move on to contouring. So I usually use more than one product to contour. So I'll use a cream contour, and then I'll use a bronzer. I'm going in with my Wet n Wild contour stick in the shade Where's Walnut. This contour product is only $3. I think I got it from like Target or Walmart, I'm not sure. And then I'm using a flat brush to apply that to my forehead and the hollows of my cheeks right below my cheekbones. I'm also contouring my crimson chin. And I'm also contouring my nose, just going down the bridge of my nose. I don't normally contour my nose. Every once in a while I do if I want like a super snatched picture on IG or something. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to contour like I'm trying to stun on hoes. So literally the rest of this video is just like blending.
I've been thinking lately, but behind closed doors I'm a fool for your love.
So for my nose, I usually just use like a damp finger. I like to use my ring finger, and I just blend that out. I don't like to use my beauty blender for that. I just feel like it doesn't give me as much control as using my finger and just kind of gliding. So I'm just kind of sweeping the contour down the side of my nose and making sure that after I do that, I kind of go in with a circular motion to just kind of blend that all in so that it looks a little bit more seamless.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
So I'm going to go over that with one of my concealers, which is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Caramel, which is really close to the color of my skin. It's what I use to prime my eyelids. So what I'm going to do is use that as my kind of my way to highlight the bridge of my nose where I want it to look a little bit narrower. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of setting powder to my face. I'm using my Aesthetica loose setting powder. I think it's in the color Banana. So I'm going to put that underneath my eyes. The reason why I didn't do that directly after my concealer is because my the NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer tends to dry really, really slow. And if you don't wait until it dries a bit to add your powder to it, it'll give you like this really weird, like it'll crack on you. So I let it dry a little bit while I did my contour so I could come back and add some powder. So now I'm going in with that bronzer that I talked about earlier. I got this from Shop Miss A, and this is like literally the holy grail for me. I can't believe this product was $1. Like, I'm so happy that I found it because it's super cheap and it works really well for me. So I'm going to take a little bit of this product on this big fluffy brush and dab some of that off, dab some of it away. I'm going to go in just below where my cheekbones are. So bring a little bit of color back. That's so pretty. I freaking love this. And I never really want to add extra product. I just kind of want to like work with what I have in the brush, because I feel like a lot of people don't realize like you have a lot of product left over in your brush when you swirl it around like that, and then when you add more you end up fucking up, like I've done on numerous occasions. So I just kind of decided for 2018, like, we're not dipping back in the product. Like, we're just not going to do it, sis. Like, we're just going to keep going with the product that we have, because chances are we have enough to complete the look.
Now going back into the Carly Bible palette, I'm picking up the champagne colored highlighter and popping that onto my cheekbone and my nose, the bridge of my nose, and I'm blending that in with my pinky.
But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
And to finish the look, I'm going in with my ColourPop Liquid Lippy in the color Creeper, and I'm just applying that to my lips. Later on, I go over it with the Fenty Beauty lip balm, the Universal Lip Balm. I just felt like I wanted a little bit of gloss. And this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section, and as always, thanks for watching.